Hey there, and welcome to the Future of Creativity, Best AI Video Generators of July 2023. Today we're diving into the captivating realm of AI video generators where innovation meets imagination. In this YouTube review, we'll uncover the most groundbreaking AI generators that are reshaping the way content is created and consumed. Prepare to be amazed, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay on the cutting edge of AI advancements. Let's get started. Say hello to Pictory, the AI video generator that's about to revolutionize your content creation. No video editing or design skills? No worries. Pictory's got your back with its super intuitive interface. All you need is a script or article, and voila! Pictory transforms it into a stunning video, perfect for social media or your website. It's a godsend for bloggers and businesses alike, taking engagement and quality to new heights. And guess what? It's all cloud-based, so you can rock it on any computer. But hold on, there's more awesomeness. Editing videos becomes a breeze with Pictory. Just use text to customize webinars, podcasts, Zoom recordings, and more. The best part, it takes just minutes to whip up professional-looking results that'll wow your audience and build your brand. Now, brace yourselves for the next game changer. Meet Synthesia. With over 70 diverse AI avatars, you'll be creating eye-catching videos in a flash. And that's not all. Get ready for seamless voiceovers and a world of customizable templates.
Videos created in Synthesia Studio.
Imagine whipping up jaw-dropping videos in a flash. No complex equipment needed. With over 70 diverse AI avatars to choose from, including an exclusive one for your brand, you'll be the talk of the town. But that's not all. Synthesia's got your back with consistent and professional voiceovers, effortlessly edited with just a click. And guess what? Closed captions are included too. Ready for some serious convenience? With 65 plus languages and a treasure trove of pre-designed templates, you'll be unstoppable in reaching a global audience. So whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or just a tech enthusiast, Synthesia is your ultimate video wizard. And guess what? This powerhouse is surprisingly affordable, starting at just $30 per month. Join the ranks of industry giants like Google, Nike, Reuters, and BBC. Take your content game to the next level with Synthesia now. Hold on tight, because we're diving even deeper into the AI revolution. We just explored the mind-blowing world of Synthesia, creating videos with stunning AI avatars and seamless voiceovers. But guess what? Our journey doesn't end there. Now, brace yourselves for the next level of AI brilliance. Introducing Deepbrain AI, creating mind-blowing AI-generated videos in a flash, using nothing but basic text. With just a script and the text-to-speech feature, you'll have your first AI video ready in a jaw-dropping 5 minutes or less.
Click Export.
Deepbrain AI lets you find the perfect custom-made AI avatar for your brand. Talk about a game changer. Plus, it's designed to be super intuitive for all, even beginners. And the benefits keep coming. Think significant time and cost savings throughout your entire video production process. Say goodbye to lengthy preparation, filming, and editing. Deepbrain AI is here to make your content creation dreams a reality. So if you're ready to level up your video game and unlock the potential of AI, hit that like button, share this gem with your crew, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for more epic tech content. Let's do this.